As promoters scramble to secure venues during what is one of the busiest entertainment periods on the calendar, a well-known annual event has been forced to switch locations this Christmas season. But while questions have been raised, stakeholders insist the new venue presents fresh opportunities. Details in this report.
The National Heroes Circle is known primarily as a place of reflection and remembrance. However, in a matter of days, the location will transform into a hub of economic activity and cultural expression, with one of the largest entertainment events for the holiday period set to be hosted in the space.
So this is really an endorsement by the security forces of this particular location as a new party venue.
For years, Kingston's entertainment industry has grappled with a limited number of approved entertainment zones, and large-scale venues often stretched to capacity during peak periods. This year, the promoters of I Love Soca pitched the idea to the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation.
Here we have a spot that people can look at. Here we have a spot that you know that certain event of certain caliber, we don't have a space for it in Kingston. And here is a location that will go down well.
Despite the positive outlook from the security forces, as well as the mayor, there are still concerns. Managing Director of I Love Soca, Andrew Bellamy, says the new location presents fresh opportunities for surrounding communities and Jamaica's orange economy.
Everything that goes into the experience, the pantry man on the outside, the people who selling soup on the outside, the people who help with parking cars, there's just this massive domino effect and spillover that just multiplies and benefits the overall local economy as well as the national economy.
With thousands of patrons expected and other events being hosted in the corporate area, the Jamaica Constabulary Force says security planning is well advanced. Head of the Area 4 Police, Assistant Commissioner Michael Phipps, spoke with journalists following a tour of the venue on Monday.
The security of the area will be our top priority in terms of the security of the persons who will come to the event, as also the parking and persons who will be able to traverse this particular space during the holding of this event. So the police is fully on board, and we will make sure that there is proper security arrangement in place for the coverage of this particular event and any other event that will take place at this particular location.
Prince Moore, TVJ News.